assistant, assistant,
assistance, assistant, assist.
Someone who helps customers in a shop.
The sales assistant persuaded me to buy them.
60, 60,
60, 60.
The number 60.
50, 60, 70. There are 60 people coming to the wedding.
Towel, towel,
Towel, towel.
A soft piece of cloth or paper that you use for drying yourself or for drying something.
A bath or beach towel. She came downstairs wrapped in a towel. Dry your hands on a paper towel.
Sauce, sauce,
sauce, sauce,
A thick hot or cold liquid eaten with food to add flavor.
A savory or sweet sauce. Tomato sauce.
stairs, stairs,
A set of steps which lead from one level of a building to another.
Go up the stairs and her office is on the right. He stood at the foot of the stairs and called out, "Breakfast's ready." Part, 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 partial, partly, partially.
Some but not all of a thing.
Elsa spent part of the day shopping. Part of the problem is their lack of money. I studied Swedish as part of my degree.
verb, verb,
A word that is used to say that someone does something or that something happens. For example, the words arrive, make, be, and feel are verbs.
A regular or irregular verb. Partner, partner.
Someone that you do something with, for example playing sports, dancing, or working in class.
Now discuss your ideas with your partner. I was Andy's partner for the tennis tournament.
bat, bat,
bat, bat,
A specially shaped piece of wood used for hitting the ball in many games.
A baseball or cricket or rounders or table tennis bat.
stadium, stadium,
Stadiums or stadia.
A large, open area with seats around it, used for playing and watching sports.
Thousands of football fans packed into the stadium to watch the match.
wallet, wallet,
Wallet, wallet.
A small folding case for carrying paper money and credit cards, used especially by men.
Have you seen my wallet anywhere? He pulled out a big fat wallet stuffed with notes. 40, 40.
The number 40.
30, 40, 50. He looks about 40.
diploma, diploma,
diploma, diploma,
A qualification from a school, college, or university, or an official document showing that someone has completed a course of study.
a diploma in marketing. Bookshelf, bookshelf,
A shelf that you put books on.
there's a bookshelf above our bed.
Tour. Tour.
Tour. Tour.
Tour, tourism, tourist.
A visit to and around a place, area, or country.
A tour of Europe. We went on a guided tour of the cathedral. The band are on tour.